So for me, I kind of like to use a variety of different seasonings. I'll use some steak seasoning, I'll use some Cajun seasoning, I'll use some everything bagel seasoning, and I'll use some crushed red peppers. I'll use like all 4 of these. Some of the landscape.
You ever been out here before?
Nope. Only driving to Fort Leonard. That's why I went to Basic.
Were you on a bus the whole way?
Mm-hmm.
Not boring. Or you
Actually,
seem nervous, weren't you?
I was nervous. I didn't even know what I was walking into. Like, I didn't know anything about the Army. I didn't know what I was going to be doing. Didn't really know what my job was going to be. Like, signed some stuff, listened to some stuff, went in one ear, out the other.
They just put you on your journey, though.
Yeah. This is not the vibe. Not the vibe at all. How do I turn these lights on? It's so old looking. Like, interesting. But, yeah. Not the vibe, really. This is the room. Right now, this room is reminding me very much so when I first joined the Army and we were at MEPS. We literally had a room like this we were sharing with a stranger. I was so scared in there. But yeah. I'm going back to my apartment now. That was a good workout. Yeah, that was a good workout. I definitely felt that. Yeah. Working out in a mask is different. I'm already out of breath, but child. Let me get inside this house. I'm just eating some now, ladies. Some now, ladies. Is these nine ladies? No, these are Mike and Ike's. But I wanted to end this video, like, letting y'all know, like, thank you guys for watching this video. A lot has been going on with me, in which I will update y'all in, like, a chit-chat get ready with me, I think I'm gonna do something like that when I get the time. But your girl has been busy. Plotting, planning. Not too much soaking up the negativity, or she's out of the sunken place, okay? I'm out of the sunken place. For the past couple months, your girl just was MIA, living life in the moment, getting herself together, getting her mental together. But I'm telling you guys, I'm back. I'm coming back with a vengeance. I'm back. So by the time you see this video, it should be another video up. Y'all let me know if y'all want this Bantu knot video. I made it in like January, but I was like, I don't know if I should put it up. I'm posting like a picture. If y'all say yes, upload the picture, upload the video, I'll upload it. But I don't think it's really giving the girls anything. I'm trying to give y'all quality content, not just a bunch of rubbish. So if y'all want to see that, let me know. And as always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted. I know we're going through a lot right now. We're praying for Texas. We're praying for Texas. We're just praying for everybody all over. People are just dealing with some crazy things right now, and I guess that's life. We're gonna have some ups and some downs, but you guys stay dope, stay lifted, and stay dope, stay uplifted, and stay beautiful. Duh. And that's on what? Period.